How to activate Citigroup credit card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Citigroup login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, www.citi.com. You will be directed to the login page. Once you're in the login page, scrolling down, you'll find this option of activate a card. You have to click on this option. With that, you will be directed to card activation page. Now over here you have to type in your card number in order to activate it. Once you type in your card number, click on continue. And in the next page, you will need to provide the information about yourself. Likewise, you have to provide the SSN number. In the case you don't have social security number, you can check in for the option of I didn't open my account using SSN. Provide the card details such as CVV and then the expiry date. Once you provide details about yourself and provide the card details, you'll be good to go. You can click on done and just with that your card will be activated. Well, this way you can easily activate your Citigroup credit card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.